Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Cardigan is a small rural community in Kings County, Prince Edward Island, located on the eastern shore of Cardigan Bay. With a population of about 300 people, it serves as a quiet residential and commercial center for the surrounding countryside. Its location along the water has shaped the community for generations, with fishing, agriculture, and small businesses continuing to play important roles in local life. Long before European settlement, the area was part of the traditional territory of the Mi'kmaq, who traveled throughout the region for fishing, hunting, and trade. European settlers began arriving during the late 18th and early 19th centuries, attracted by fertile farmland, sheltered waterways, and access to the sea. The community gradually developed around its waterfront and nearby transportation routes. The name Cardigan comes from James Brudenell, the 7th Earl of Cardigan, a British nobleman. Like many communities on Prince Edward Island, Cardigan grew as farming expanded across Kings County. Early settlers cleared forests, built homes, established farms, and created local businesses that supported both residents and neighboring communities. Agriculture remains one of the region's most important industries. Nearby farms produce potatoes, grains, soybeans, hay, and livestock. Prince Edward Island is internationally known for its potato production, and many local residents work in farming, food processing, agricultural transportation, equipment sales, and businesses that support the agricultural sector. Commercial fishing also contributes to the local economy. Although nearby Georgetown is the larger fishing port, many residents have connections to the lobster, oyster, mussel, and other seafood industries found throughout eastern Prince Edward Island. Marine transportation, seafood processing, boat maintenance, and equipment repair provide additional employment throughout the region. The Cardigan River and Cardigan Bay are among the community's most important natural features. Their sheltered waters support boating, kayaking, recreational fishing, and wildlife habitat. Bald eagles are frequently seen soaring above the shoreline, while great blue herons, ducks, geese, and many migratory birds make use of the nearby marshes and coastal waters throughout the year. Tourism has become increasingly important across this part of Prince Edward Island. Visitors come to enjoy scenic coastal drives, fresh seafood, quiet beaches, cycling routes, golf courses, and nearby provincial parks. Cardigan's central location makes it a convenient stop for exploring many of the island's eastern coastal communities. Housing remains relatively affordable compared with many parts of Canada. The average home price in and around Cardigan generally ranges from $300,000 to $400,000 Canadian dollars, although prices vary depending on the property's size, condition, and location. Waterfront homes and newer properties typically sell for higher prices, while older homes often offer good value. Today, Cardigan remains a peaceful rural community where agriculture, fishing, and natural beauty continue to shape everyday life. Its scenic waterfront, productive farmland, and welcoming atmosphere reflect many of the qualities that have made Prince Edward Island one of Canada's most distinctive and admired provinces.